So, are you ready for the reveal to the newest bathroom in this apartment building that is no longer creepy? Voila! Hi! Alright, I'm gonna give you a little tour of the bathroom. So that's the medicine cabinet. And I brought one of my jewelry items out. I mean, not jewelry, makeup items out. I usually store makeup and stuff in there, but to keep it neat and tidy, I decided to put this in here. And I have some other little things that I've purchased or repurposed. This is a candle holder, or candle from Bath and Body Works, and you put it in the freezer, get all the wax out, wash it, and I would use it for everything except for food. And this was, I believe, body butter. So just took the label off, washed it. I love butterflies. So this is considered to be my half of the bathroom, because I am sharing with Teen Editor when he's here. So these are all of the things that I use, and I have this mirror here for when I need to see the back of my hair when I'm like braiding or something like that. Then I'll step in here and check the back of my hair using that mirror. We do have lots of storage down below, and I probably will eventually get some organizers for under here. But for right now, it's good. I have like boxes and baskets that have been repurposed to hold the stuff for us. And those are a mixture of my son's items, and then this is the cleaning side over here. So this is on the wrong side. That should be there. So plenty of space and such a large counter. So this side of the counter is my son's, so when he's here, these are the items that he uses. And then we have a candle here for when it is necessary. I love this. It says wash your hands, always wash your hands, floss and brush your teeth, flush the toilet, close the lid. And I thought if I put it right there, like if somebody's standing here, getting ready to go to the sink, they could see all the little rules. And as I said, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's a vinyl that peels right off. It leaves no residue. They come on sheets like this. There's about 30 or 40 different ones that I saw that you can choose from. Let's see. From Amazon, I got this set with the bamboo and this. And I don't remember how much it was, but if I find it, I'll link it down below. But it just gives us some more organizing, and we needed new stuff because the other stuff was getting rusty and old. So, do you all notice anything? It is a brand spanking new toilet, and it's bigger, y'all. We don't have the little teeny tiny toilet anymore. So the maintenance department did an awesome job. Within a few days of me deciding I'm just going to go ahead and put my stuff in there because I'm tired of waiting, they came. I was like, well, if I'd known that, I would have done this like last year. So, brand new toilet, everything brand new, bigger toilet. It's just necessary. I just don't know how they thought we were supposed to survive with that little teeny tiny toilet. Okay, you all saw me cleaning this in the other video, part 1, and so now it's all staged and ready to go. And so I took my candles. I used that green, what is that stuff called? I don't know. The brick that you use, the foam to make your flowers stand up. I just stuff some in there and just stick it here. And I mean, even though this looks like a candle, like I keep all the candles that have blue or like turquoise on them, I keep them and then I repurpose them in some way. These are some old magazines that I found that I never read, so I put them there. I decided to put some towels here just for the aesthetic reasons, nothing, you know, big. We pull from here, and then as we wash them, we stick them back up there. This right here came from FabFitFun. It was my sampler box, and so this was in there, and it's usually used for like beachy type things. You know, you put your sandals and your sunscreen and stuff in there, but we don't go to the beach, so not anymore. So I decided to store toilet paper in there, and there you go. So if I have a visitor over and they're like, "You're out of toilet paper," it's fine. It's right above their heads. There's the necessary, you know, air freshener and our lighters for the candles. Put them up high so no little people who are visiting, you know, will try to use it. I got this from Amazon, and when I saw the color, you guys, I was like, yeah, this is it. I have to get this. So it's a tealy, turquoisey type shade, and so I thought we would stick with the theme of the turquoise, purple, and black. And this is a deep purple that was necessary because of the purple that's in this shower curtain. I love this. I found this a few years ago, and I laid it out in my living room floor and just went ham with the rhinestones and the glitter, and I just went crazy. Had a ball. And so to add some sparkly touches, I have that rainbow type of color for the rhinestones, crystals, whatever they're called, jewels. I love them. And they're so easy to put the shower curtain on and hang because it doesn't have any clasps or anything of that nature. And I put both the liner and this on there. I do plan on getting another rod to put the liner on a separate one, but for right now they're together. And now the creme de la creme. You guys, look at this. Let me get us some more light. Ta-da! Everything has been cleaned. Any holes that were there have been filled. Y'all don't know how excited I am. There was some yellow stain there. I don't even know what it was. And they cleaned all that up. They did some type of acid wash. They didn't do this back wall very well. I guess they were like, you know, wasn't that bad. This is what most of my shower looked like. Maybe they didn't see the back. I'm gonna have to let them know. They skipped the back. But everything else, beautiful. And that horrible stain is gone. All gone. Horrible stain is gone. Oh my gosh, I kept wondering how in the world was I going to get that stain out. We made sure everything is out of the corners, so we're not putting any of our body butters or anything over there. Everything is here hanging, so we don't want any more stains. None. Zip zero. They don't want Oreo's nails to scratch the glaze. Like, yeah, they were not playing. You can't do nothing in there. So and so I also have this that purple bath mat, and I also got this three-piece set of rugs, and they have memory foam in them. They are so comfortable. Oreo comes in here and lays on them like they're his bed, but they're very comfortable. It came in a three-piece set, And I thought there was going to be more space for this one to go here, but it wasn't. They were kind of like overlapping, and I just didn't like the way it looked, so I moved it. And then the last that I needed to put up were these blue flowers, and the camera is pulling very blue, but they're really an aqua and turquoise type shade with lots of gold. So let me see if yeah, there we go. These are the colors, and there's even more turquoise than that. This is still pulling very blue, but they're more aqua and turquoise, and they match everything that's in the bathroom. And so I was like, yes, I'm putting those up. I think I got those from Temu. And again, everything that I got that I can link below. I'm so excited. Oh, I forgot to tell you about this last part right here. All right, so originally I wanted to get a cart to put my stuff on to go from my bedroom to the living room in here, and this was too small. So we decided to put it in here. And so on each shelf, I just have items that we may need to just grab it. It's there very quickly. Like I said, we're not putting any of the items on the bathtub around the surface of the top. So everything is here. When we move out, I don't want them to say we put any stains in there. We did not, sir. This is what we did. So I also decided to put some reading materials here, and some word finds, and you know, all those little puzzle books, all the pencils. I got this idea from my mom. I'm gonna put some colored pencils in here because sometimes I like to color. And this was a basket that some products came in a long time ago. Like, I can't even tell you where.